Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cat S53 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll to find security. Now let's scroll down, tap on advanced and find encryption and credentials. Here at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully, so we just successfully accomplished this operation. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock reset, probably your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. I hope that this video was useful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.